So my bike just did something weird. I stopped back in there's a park back there. And I stopped and hopped off to cool off for a minute and take a picture. And the bike's hot. It's like 90, 93 here right now. Oh no, we're gonna go this way. And so I killed the bike, hop off, take a picture. I go to start it back up. And it takes, I have to, crack the throttle a little bit to get it to start. And when it does start, it backfired. Or, it popped out of the exhaust. Which is something it doesn't usually do. And so, kind of got me a little concerned that maybe I have the bike running rich or something like that. It seems to run great. I don't usually have any problems with it, except for it gets pretty bad fuel mileage. I'm only getting about like mid-30s when I should be seeing like mid-40s. It's got plenty of power. I mean, it runs great otherwise. But I hate trying to tune a carburetor. I like the simplicity of a carburetor. But man, are they a pain to tune. I was really hoping by now, carburetors have been around for forever. I was really hoping by now somebody would come out with a carburetor that, could be tuned easily. The jets were super easy to interchange, and maybe you didn't have like 4 or 5 variables on the carburetor, whereas like needle taper, main jet, pilot jet, idle mixture, all those things. I think that by now somebody should have made a simpler, better carburetor. You'd think some engineer would be sitting around going, oh well, how can I make that better? But mostly, it seems like most of the engineering going into motorcycles right now are going into the fuel injection side of engineering, which I guess is, if you think about it, it is carburetors that have evolved. So anyway, that's my rant for the day. Stay tuned. If something else weird happens with the bike, I'll let y'all know.